So we just finished setting up the stand and Boston's now assessing the track, and there's some really gnarly jumps, some proper gnarly jumps. There's a massive big double over there, if you can see right at the back there. Some really good nice berms, some nice little step up doubles just over there. Yeah, it's going to be a good day's well, it's going to be a good weekend's racing, that's for sure. One of the things that they've actually done is this right here is a joker lane. And it's just like literally all these whoops right now. Right, okay, so we are in the Stoneleigh Lodge Hotel.
Oh, Dad, actually, I'll have you put it in
Honestly.
Dad.
Okay, let's do just headshot.
Secret.
Headshot. Huh? No, headshots too.
Dad, I don't want to do it. Why do we have to do it about our hotel? You get carried on.
We're at the Stoneleigh Lodge Hotel. Okay, we've got a TV the size of the GoPro. Look at it. No expense spared. So that was the first night in the premier kind of like establishment at Stoneleigh Park. As you saw last night, there wasn't really a lot to offer. Better lock that one up. But anyway, just going to do a lovely little farm shop down here. So we're just going to get a nice bit of breakfast, dig in there, and then we're going to go get set up and get ready for day one of trading. Let's go. Second, just talk to me about your rocket fuel right there. What you got? What you got?
Got eggs, bacon, sausage, hash brown, some beans.
Donna, what have you got? Do you reckon Will's going to like you eating that, eh? The Last Supper. We eating that.
Dad.
So, come just quickly then, guys. Why didn't we eat at the hotel? Okay, so slightly different. Got my little Eat Naked juice. Tell you what, Eat Naked have really helped me these last couple of days. Really, I got their sort of their delivery and stuck in a cool bag, and that was it, mate. I'm fully loaded. I'm at a trade event, which is, as most of you know, if you've ever been to a trade event, you can't get decent food for love nor money. So yeah, it's really kept me filled up, which is good. Just about to go see how Boston's getting on. Let's get you guys. What's up, Lou? What do you reckon of it?
No.
Yeah, sick.
Oh, go ahead, man. You're killing yourself on the first corner, right?
So do you reckon that this could be the future?
I already think it is.
I think it's got to be, isn't it?
We had a class this year for them, but we're putting a big thing together for next year. I'm on the vlog.
We've got this is the main man. This is the main man of the Mini Supercross Championship. Jay. Where's your money on?
Louis Dutton, On O'Connor, Ash Gorman. Ash Gorman's a world champion.
You've got a
Sort of run on the Ossett bikes and whatever. We're just being two Wagamamas. It's about taking out some runners. But there they go. The firm's on the thing. Gonna go back to the penthouse and watch a movie tonight. That's it. Keep back and chill, ready for Saturday. Earring.
Oh. What's that?
Earrings. Day 3 on with this absolute weapon. Putting cream on her face. It's anti-aging cream. You watch her wait until you see in about 10 minutes time. She's gonna drop. She's gonna be look about 22. Yeah, she currently only looks about 25 at the moment. But yeah, so we're gonna go out there. We're gonna set it alight today. We've had 2 days. They've been absolutely painful. But Boston's had a great time.
Not been painful for you, have they?
Why have they not been painful for me? Why not painful for me?
You
Someone's got to look after Boston on the pit bike track. You know what, boss? Yeah, rather me than old wrinkle chops. With the main man right now, we've got, this is the first day of the race. It's about to go out and qualify. I'm going to get on, boss. Going to do good. Nice bit of qualify. They changed the jump a little bit, didn't they, boss? Took out your ski jump. What do they add?
Double.
Okay. Double good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Alright, let's go see how the kid gets on. Amazing, absolutely amazingly well. Rocking the KLX 110 Diamond Mini. It's quite a heavy bike, but he's hanging it out there. He's hanging it out there with these kids. There's 12 of them there. He's probably running in top third to top 4. You know, getting those kind of results, which is really good. Yeah, all the boys down there having a great day. It's absolutely killing it down there. As you can see, there's a lot of riders down there. I think there's about 150 riders down there. So they're all going flat out. But it's a really, really good event. I invite anybody who's interested in pit bikes, looking at the mini bike championships and getting online and seeing how it goes from there. All right. got no clutch. These things are designed for this short kind of work, aren't they? Yeah, we're doing well though, mate. You're hanging it out there now. Yeah, we're getting done. We've got one more race and then that's it. A nice, safe weekend over and done with. Team SGUT.